In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset by using settings and recovery mode. So first, let's go to the settings. Then over here, we can choose about phone, scroll down and find factory reset over here. Here we have the summary of everything that will be removed, which is of course pretty much everything, as we are removing all data. And we need to simply choose erase all data, enter the screen lock password, and then you have the option to perform the backup first if needed. If not, then simply press factory reset and proceed with additional instructions if they appear. And this is how we can perform the factory reset by using the settings. If you wish to do this through the recovery mode, then first of all we need to turn off our device. So press power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open the power menu, and then let's power off. After that, we need to press and hold the power button and volume up button, and we need to keep holding like that until we see the Xiaomi logo. And once you see the Xiaomi logo, release the power button, but keep holding volume up. So now only press and hold volume up button, and after a few seconds we should see the recovery mode. There we go, now we can release that button. Here we need to navigate with volume up and volume down, so we want to go to wipe data and confirm our choice by pressing the power button, and then here choose wipe all data and once again confirm with the power button. And that is also how we can perform the factory reset and erase all data, but in the recovery mode. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!